Good morning, students. Welcome back once again. In this session, we will discuss the chapter GUI, operating system, and desktop management. In this chapter, we will discuss about operating system, objective and function of operating system, Windows 10 navigation and the start menu, setting dates and time, and so on. In this first presentation, I have already discussed about the operating system and its objectives and GUI basics. Now I am going to discuss next topic of this chapter, that is virtual desktop. Virtual desktop. One of the new features of Windows 10 is the addition of virtual desktop. This allows you to have the multiple desktop screen where you can keep open window organized. In this features of Windows 10, that is Windows 10 provided a virtual desktop functions. In these functions, in a single desktop screen, we can open more than one desktop screen. To add a virtual desktop, follow these steps. First step is click task view on the taskbar. Then second step is click the new desktop option on the lower right corner. You can access or delete the new desktop by clicking the task view again. We can see the virtual desktop window on the slide. On a single desktop, you can see the more than one desktop in a single desktop. Next topic is Windows 10 starts menu. This start menu is the main point of access to your application. There are two types of way to open it. First type is use your mouse to click the Windows icons in the lower left corners of the taskbar. Second, press the Windows key on your the keyboards. The Windows 10 status menu features of two panes. The left pane resembles and the traditional start menu of the Windows 7. The earlier version, while the right pane features live tiles that were used in the Windows 8. हम लोग ये विंडोज़ लेफ्ट पैन और राइट पैन का यूज़ करते हैं. लेफ्ट पैन विंडोज़ 7 या उससे पहले आने वाले विंडोज़ में यूज़ हुआ करता था, बट आफ्टर द विंडोज़ 8 वी कैन यूज़ राइट पैन ऑल्सो. Left pan, what is the left pan? Amongst the things you can do in the left pans are, first one is click the username at the top of the menu to change account setting or log in with the another users. Access the application you use more frequently. A small arrow next to an application will open a submenu with a list of recent documents. Open with the that documents. Next point is open the file explorer to navigate your folders and the file. Change the setting of your computer like your internet connection or changing your backgrounds. Next, see different options to shut down your computers also. See a list of all the applications installed in your computer. That is the next topic, that is search box. Here is a figure of left pan and right pan. We can see it, which type of function provided in left pan and right pan. Next topic is, that is search box. Search box on the taskbar will allow you to search within your documents and the files or on the web for the anything you write. The initial result will appear within the start menu itself. In taskbar, there is options of search box. In this search box, we can enter the file name, the folder's name, the program name, and we can easily find out the file and the program. The result will be grouped according to the closest match or the matches labeled best match at the top of the list. The remaining result will group according to what they are or their location. First one is web result, documents or folders, application and system setting. Next topic is right pan. The right pan feature a varied array of tiles. These tiles can be moved and dragged to the different place by holding the mouse button. You can also configure them by right clicking on them to see options, to resize them, to unpin them, and to remove them from the menus. Windows 10 taskbar, next topic, that is the Windows 10 taskbar sits at the bottom of the screen. We can see the bottom of the screen. The Windows 10 provided a facility of taskbar, giving the user access to the start menu as well as the icons of frequently used application on the right sides, the taskbar feature in the notification area, which inform the users of the different things like the states of the internet, connections of the charger, of the laptop battery. Next topic, that is notification area. Notification area is also located at the right side of the taskbar. It shows the different type of notification from your computer like your internet connections or the volume level. At first the notification area show a limited amount of icons, but you can click the upward arrow on its left side to see the other icons as well. We can also see the notification area in the slide, that is the battery charger, so that show the internet connection and so on. The next topic is task view. Task view allow you to quickly moves within your open Windows on application. You can access it by clicking the task view buttons from the taskbar. You can also press the hold the Windows key and then press tab to achieve the same results. We can also see the task view which is shown on the slides. That is the next topic, that is quick launch bar. To add quick launch bar toolbar to the taskbar in Windows 10, follow these steps. First step is right click on the empty space on the taskbar of the desktop. Second step is click the tools bar and click on the toolbar. Setting dates and time. Next topic is setting dates and time. This facility is also provided by the Windows 10. The taskbar shows the dates and time in notification area in a small format. When you click on the dates and time area in Windows 10, the dates and time panels appeared. You also see in the next slide, that is the figure of setting dates and time. Here figure of the dates and time setting, we can select the dates. You can see the dates and time here in the format chosen by the default by the some users, and the how to change the changing date and time format. Changing date to change date and time in Windows 10, choose and click control panel using the start button. We can see the control panels, selecting the clocks. Control panel screen appears. Go to the clock, language and regions tab and click on the change date and times. On number format options, the regions window appears as on the top right of the next page. That is, we can also see the format of the date and time settings. How to change the date and time, you can select the particular dates and times as you wish, then click OK. And last topic is changing volumes. To change the volume level, just click on the volume icons on the taskbar. The volume slide panels appear. We also see in the next slide, that is the figure of changing how to change the volume. You can move the slide buttons to increase or decrease the volume level. The volume level display on the right as well. That's all. Thank you.